Hi everyone, Josh May from Riccar Vacuums. We're going to show you how to change your HEPA filters on your Riccar R65 stick vacuum cleaner. So this unit, I really like this, has, of course it's easy to remove the main unit from the wand, but also this unit is no tools required to do any of the work. We do recommend that you take the battery out before you do any maintenance. Right here at the top on the double R for the Riccar is one of our filters. This is the filter that protects the motor and a lot of the debris that gets vacuumed into the machine. This HEPA filter is right here. It literally just twists into place. So when you get a new filter, you just slide it in and twist it into place, snap it back into here. The second filter sits behind the motor. This has some directions right here. We just twist it and unlock. So we just twist, take out that filter, and put in our new one. Lock it into place, put our battery back in. Now we're ready to use the machine. Some people ask, why do we have two filters on this stick vacuum? Why do we need two HEPA filters? This is actually a big benefit to you and the filtration and the amount of debris coming back out into your home. A lot of stick vacuums will have a filter like this that sits in the dirt cup area that we replaced. But what they don't have is a filter that catches a lot of the debris that comes off of the motor. And that kind of debris is usually just motor components like carbon dust and things. Most vacuums just blow that back out into your house. This unit has a HEPA filter that sits there as well. So you get double the coverage from a filtration standpoint using HEPA filters in two different positions on this vacuum. One thing about these filters, we do recommend regular maintenance and cleaning of these filters, and eventually you're gonna have to replace them. We recommend about every 6 to 12 months. So thanks again and happy vacuuming.